Hello guys, again welcome you all to my YouTube channel Codingpedia. Guys, in this video I am making an important announcement that I will also make video in English language. Earlier I was making video in Hindi language only, but there are many students who are not able to understand my Hindi language videos, so I will make videos in the English language. That will also help the student who are not understanding the Hindi language videos. So guys, in coming videos I am going to start with the chapter wise guidelines. So students who are not able to understand the Hindi language videos, they can subscribe my channel and they can go to the playlist. I will make a special playlist for such kind of videos. Those I'm going to create in the English language, so you all will get a playlist, a special playlist. In that I will only put a video that made in English language. So I will start with the guidelines. First, chapter wise guidelines. I will tell you each and every chapter guidelines. I will tell you okay, how you can eliminate the option, what are the guidelines of a specific chapter. So that will help you in a many way. So guys, keep subscribe my channel so that you can get the notification and get the video in a right time. So guys, thank you. We'll catch you later.